Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to write a strong motivation letter for the Open Door Scholarship. Your motivation letter is one of the most important parts of your application. It is the only place where you can directly tell the committee about your goals, achievements, and vision. A powerful motivation letter can make you stand out even if your grades are average. First of all, you need to select your domain. In Open Door Scholarship, you are allowed to choose up to three domains. When selecting your domain, make sure you choose the field that truly matches your academic background, your personal interest, and your future goals. For example, if you study pre-medical, you can choose domain related to medicine, biology, or pharmacy. If you are more interested in technology, you may select engineering, IT, or computer science. After selecting your domain, the next step is to explain it clearly in your motivation letter. You should tell the committee why you are passionate about this field, how your previous studies and achievements are connected to it, and what kind of research or specialization you plan to pursue in the future. The motivation letter for the Open Road Scholarship has been given a specific structure with four sections. The first section is personal goal, the second one is professional achievement, the third section is the reason for choosing a subject, and the last one is the reason of choosing to study in Russia. Let's explain the first section in detail, which is the personal goals. So, in this part, you needed to clearly explain your long term visions and what you want to achieve in life. Don't just write general sentence, be specific about your goals. For example, you can say, since my childhood, I have dreamed of becoming a doctor because I believe healthcare is one of the most powerful way to serve humanity. My personal goal is to gain advanced medical knowledge so that I can help improve healthcare in my country. I want to contribute to solving health challenges, especially in rural areas where medical facilities are limited. Here, the main idea is to show your passion, motivation, and future vision. This section should convince the committee that you are not only studying for yourself but also to make a difference in society. The second part of the motivation letter is professional achievement. Here you should talk about the main things you have achieved in your studies and activities. Achievements show the committee that you are hardworking and serious about your goals. You can include things like good marks or top position in exams, any scholarship you have won, sport or other competition you took part in, volunteering or community service, extra skills like language certificate or training. Any type of achievements you can add in this section. For example, you can write one of my biggest achievements in my volunteering work. I took part in health awareness activity where I helped in organizing free medical camps for people in need. This experience gave me the chance to serve my community and also taught me how teamwork, leadership, and value of helping others. This way, your achievements highlight both your academic side and your social responsibility. The third part is the reason for choosing a subject. Here are a few tips for this section. Don't write just the subject name, explain why you choose it. Connect your choice with your personal interest in previous study. Show how this subject will help you in your future. For example, you can write, I choose clinical medicine because I am very interested in how diseases can be treated and prevented. I want to specialize in cardiovascular system and dermatology as both are very important for people's health. My aim is to use this knowledge to improve healthcare in my country. The fourth and final part is the reason for choosing to study in Russia. Here are few tips. Mention Russia high quality education and strong university. Highlight the research opportunity in your choosing field. Talk about the multicultural environment and how it will help your growth. Show how studying in Russia will help you to achieve your future goals. For example, you can write, I choose Russia because it is a world class university and strong program in medical research. The advanced facility and international environment will help me gain modern language and practical skill. I believe that studying in Russia will prepare me to return to my country and make a positive impact on healthcare. Here are some useful tips and tricks for writing a strong motivation letter. First of all, keep in mind to be personal and unique. Don't copy templates from the internet. Share your own goals, achievements, and experience. That's what makes you stand out. Stay positive and future focus. Focus on what you want to achieve, not what you lack. Show your vision for the future and how the scholarship will help you. Keep it balanced. Don't make it too short or too long. Around 500 to 600 words is good length. Give enough detail in each section but stay focused. Be honest. Only write achievements and experience that are true. The committee can recognize the fake stories. Check grammar, spelling, and flow before submitting. So that's the complete structure of the motivation letter for the Open Door Scholarship. We talk about personal goals, professional achievements, the reason for choosing your subject, and finally the reason for choosing to study in Russia. Before you finish your letter, remember these simple tips. Keep your writing clear, personal, and honest. Connect your goals, achievement, and subject choice step by step, and always show how studying in Russia will help you reach your future plans. If you follow this structure, your motivation letter will be strong and professional, and it will give you a much better chances of success. That's all for today's video. I hope this guide helps you in writing your own motivation letter. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more helpful content about the Open Door Scholarship. What topic should I cover next? Comment below with your ideas.